Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to integrate camera inside a native iOS application using AVFoundation. So firstly I'll show you the output. Here you can see I'm running my app on a real device, so you will need a real device. I will first allow the camera permission, and here you can see it has started the camera. At the very bottom center I have the I have one button, and on click of it will capture the photo. Once it captures the photo, it would require access to Photos app, because we want to write that particular captured photo to our Photos app. So I'll give it full access, and here at the left hand side bottom corner you might be able to see the image that has been captured is been displayed. So if I move it to somewhere else, here you can see that at the bottom left you are able to see the image that was been captured. So yeah, that's what this video is all about. Let's see how to do this. So it's pretty simple. Firstly you will have to import. So I have created an application, native iOS application, using UIKit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. And here I have imported AVFoundation as well as photos, and also inside this camera app info plist I have given this camera usage description permission, photo library additional usage, as well as photo library usage description. Even without writing the captured photo to Photos app, you can get the actual image that has been captured, but most probably most of you might need to write the image to Photos app. That's why I have showing that as well. So here we are extending AV capture photo capture delegate, and this AV capture video data output sample buffer delegate. Then I have created this preview view. This is for our camera, one capture button which is displayed at the bottom center, and one thumbnail image which is displayed at the bottom left. Then I have created this box view. Then this is boilerplate code which you have to write for camera, like capture video data output, AV capture video preview layer, AV capture device, AV capture photo output, AV capture session, all that stuff. Then here we are initializing our preview view. Here I have created our box view. Then we are just creating our capture button, and then we just add our capture button to our view. Similarly for that image as well, we are adding it to our view. Then I have set some NS layout constraints as well. Then we are calling setup AV capture. So this is called once our button is clicked. So here we are just calling still image capture photo. I will show you this method later on. I have created one extension for it, and here this gets called every time a photo has been captured. So here you can see we are getting a UI image. Now here I am writing that image to our Photos app, but if you don't want to write it, you can just comment this out, and you can uncomment this particular code, so you can directly display your image without writing it to the Photos app. But most of you won't want that. Again, it depends on project to project, so it's your choice. So if you want to allow if you want to save it to Photos app, so you will have to use this code. So here if permission is already authorized, then I just call this particular method. If not, then we save it to Photos library, and then we display this inside our thumbnail image view. So here you can see this is the code for it. So here the URL which you get is actually a local identifier, and with the help of this particular code, if you have the local identifier, you can get that particular image from your Photos app. Then we just call setup AV capture. So here we just set up our AV capture. Here we start our begin session. So here we just set our device input, still image output. Again, this is all boilerplate code which you have to write every time you have to configure a camera app inside your native iOS app. So again, you can just copy paste it. I have done the same thing from Stack Overflow and documentation. And if you want to stop the camera as soon as a photo has been captured, you can call this stop camera method somewhere over here. So once the photo has been captured, so somewhere in this particular method according to your needs. So over here maybe sounds good to me, but I have not called that because most of you might be needing the camera to be running, so it's up to you. Then here I have created this extension of UI image for saving the photos to photo library. Again, I have just copy pasted this from documentation. You can do the same. So basically this saves the UI image to our Photos app, and here I also have created one more static method just as an helper for this particular method. So you can copy paste this one as well. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can use camera inside a native iOS application. Thank you for watching. Bye.